Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. If you guys are an OG, you might already know where we are, but for those who do not know, we are at Garrens' place and we have his car right behind me right here. And I feel like every time I vlog his car, there's always something changing in it. Today, it's gonna be transforming yet again. That's just what he does. That's just what this car does. But he pretty much got a few things done that I'm gonna be helping him install a couple things for his car. The main thing I'm helping him here today is his new front bumper.
I have a job interview at 6. Hello, chat.
Oh, we should finish it by 6, yeah, hopefully. Garren was involved in an accident not too long ago and insurance paid him out, but obviously they have to repair it in the OEM bumper. Yeah, and he had a Garrens bumper on, so this isn't gonna cut it. He's just been running it like this for a bit, just taking his time getting his money to get his shit in check and whatnot. But if you guys know about Garren and how his car is and with his presence on, his habits with his car on this channel, you tend to find out that he actually doesn't really last long with his cosmetic stuff, like the bumper. Yeah, it's a toxic relationship. He's just a little reckless when he drives, and that's kind of the reason why his car is always transforming all the time, because it's always getting its parts sent back to the body shop to get refixed and painted. Yeah, he goes to paint jail all the time. But that's just cars. If you have a lot of swag and a lot of steez and you're a little reckless, this shit happens. But I mean, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started and unbolting the front bumper already. Why is it not popped up? Is it like that? No. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Oh, we almost ran into our first problem today. Oh, you gotta shimmy it. Oh, there you go, Garrett. Smart Garrett. Oh, yeah! We got it. That was a little stressful. We're like, why isn't it coming off? We didn't install this previously. The OEM bumper was installed by by insurance, so we don't know how they did it. So yeah, we're getting it done though. Nice. Bumper's off. Yeah. Milo!
Milo, stop it!
Don't bark at me, Milo.
No, I don't know what
I'm gonna try to pet him if he bites me.
God, don't do that.
Really? Oh shit! Oh. Is the bumper here? Oh my god!
It's in the car. It's already cracked. My parents cracked it.
What?
They're removing it, yeah.
Where? Oh, on the bumper tab.
It's all good. All good. Oh, okay.
Let's see.
I think taking out the house was harder than taking off the bumper.
No, genuinely, guys, I wish I was filming it. Garren's house is a little bit tight inside, and we had to like really maneuver our way out of there. It was like moving furniture out of like a New York City apartment. We were able to get it out. Luckily, it's spotless.
Yeah, we're good. It doesn't matter. It's about the process. It's
Yes.
all about the process and the homies around you.
It's not about the journey, it's about the destination. Wait,
Wait, no,
we
bro.
fucked it up.
We
It's
fucked
not
it
about the
up.
destination,
No,
it's the journey. Oh my
The
god.
journey with the homies.
Yes. Fucking hell. Yeah, it looks really good. Let's go ahead and plop this shit on. Right now we are switching out the headlight brackets. We removed the kooky headlight brackets, which is for like the 17 and plus facelift, and we're putting it to the FRS ones just to be safe, because the Garrens ones were designed for the FRS ones, right, Gar?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just being a little safe. The tabs are a little fragile already, which kind of sucks. The previous owner was able to fit the front bumper on the FRS brackets. Garren has yet to try this one on, and the thing is with the Garrens bumpers, they all fit differently. Weird. Yeah, they all fit really weird and differently. So Luckily, the previous owner had no problem with this one, so hopefully, pray to God, we don't have any issues with installing this one. Guys, here's the dilemma that's going on. We're able to hit it here with the headlight bracket, but it's super tight on this side. We actually had to remove the headlight bracket inside of here because this was hitting it, but now it's struggling to hit here. This is fine, like we could get past this, whatever.
Yeah.
But
unless you don't run a headlight bracket on this end and we zip tie, but that's kind of
nah, yeah.
That's very wonky.
I'm trying not to show you guys too much of the bumper, but that's the little dilemma we're dealing with right now. So this camera's also about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it, but we'll be back. We'll be back.
Yay!
Bumper's on, guys. Only took us like an hour or so, but if you look at it,
headlight brackets fit into the Bears bumper.
so unfortunately we didn't get the fitment like perfect.
Fiberglass.
It's fiberglass. I'm too scared to shatter it. Garren and I just do not want to shatter it, but the gaps here is really good up until you go here. But this is like typical 8.6 FRS type of stuff. This side's a little bit worse, but with enough zip ties, we can make it look a little bit better. Is it stuck? Just shimmy it. Wait, what the fuck? I think they broke it before. Look, there's glue on here. What the? Oh, well, sorry, Garrett. You can always buy a new one of those anyway. Be honest, drop it. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Even this is way better than the last one.
I know, bro.
This
Dude,
and the gap here, dude, guys, you guys don't even know. There's a huge ass gap under here.
Bumper sag of doom.
Yeah, but that's only because he didn't run the headlight brackets before. Sorry, I don't want to show too much. Let's go ahead and dial in the sides here.
Okay.
And then we'll pull it out and we'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
We did it, Gar.
Yeah!
Let's go. What the fuck? Let's go. Oh my god. Look at there. Oh my god. You're good, you're good. You did just put the bumper on. Slow. Slow down, Garrett. Straighten your wheel. Straighten it. Yeah. Turn this way a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Slow. Hard turn it. Yeah. Slow. Take your time. Oh, your skirts. I totally forgot about your skirts. You're three-wheeling. Maybe you should go straight, because I don't know, because how do you usually get out of here? Because your skirt is like really into the ground.
I didn't have skirts all the time. I just kind of full send. Are you ready?
Hey, fuck. Slowly though. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're good. Go, keep going. Oh, your skirts are still on. You're chilling. Slow. Slow. Keep going. You're good, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Holy shit, guys. Literally just put the bumper on and he already went off-roading on it. He has to exit this way because his driveway is really short. Yes, bro. Oh my gosh.
Oh. That's insane.
Dude, that's so good. And look, the fitment on it is pretty good. Like, this is really good. Like before, I wish I had a photo, but like literally like this big of a gap. And look, I know this isn't that flush, but look,
It's still pretty good.
I'm tugging on it.
Yeah.
Look at me pulling on it. It's not moving.
It's insane.
This is all really steady.
Nice.
Even this side, look, I'm pulling on it. It's not moving. It's sturdy. That shit is not flying anywhere, bro. Typically, if you don't run anything with headlight brackets,
Hella saggy.
it's gonna be not only saggy, you're gonna have gaps around the headlights, and it'll just like wave around while you drive. But now
Very sturdy.
it's gonna be really sturdy now. It looks pretty good. I can't lie. The gaps here are really good. Gap here's good. It's just the sides, but that's typical 8.6 shit, man. That's just how it is. Let us know what you guys think of Garren's car. Hopefully this isn't the last time we're gonna see it. Garren, I swear to God, do not break it.
No, he's real.
Yeah.
I've gone through 3 Garrens bumpers.
This is his 3rd one now.
This is the only bumper that makes the car look good.
Yes.
Yes, I agree. And Kooky TRD.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, big fan of Kooky TRD. Just want to let that known.
All right.
All right.
See you guys.
Bye, chat. Thank you.
Later.